Hi friends, in our before episode, I tell you about that I will tell you about plants and animals, about vehicles, airport, and today I will tell you that. And today I will tell you about only plants and animals. First, this is some JK's questions. This is IQ JK. If you know this is not IQ, this is this is the important general knowledge that that develops our brain, our minds, feel better to our health. It is a good question. It is common general knowledge. If we know it, we can answer everything. This is the common GK. If friend, I know one of you always think one of you that when you go out or someone asks you what is your name, you tell your name, then they tell, they tell, ask you a question? You tell yes, you can ask me a question. When they ask you a question, suppose they ask you a question, you cannot answer, you feel very bad, very not better. That. And today I will tell about that common questions. You have not to forget it. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. But I'm not but it is not important to subscribe my channel and like and share. But it is important to hear the question. But if your choice but if you like our channel, please subscribe. But it is not common. Let's start our question. Then friends, our first question is omnivores are animals that eat both plants and animals. Which of these animals is an omnivore? You have to give only one example of omnivore animal. What is it? Bear. They are round or pink or white in color. They look pretty when they own as jewelry. Which of these is this jewelry item that Westers make out as of a grain of seed of sand? What is called pearl. When caught by the enemy, the lizard breaks off its tail, which continues to twist. This distracts the enemy while the animal escapes. Then, mangroves are a collection of medium-sized trees and shrubs that have tube-like aerial roots for breathing. They thrive in salty water. Where does one find mangroves? Can you tell friends? In coastal areas. Now friends, it is a bird that waits in water and then it flies to warmer areas in winter. It stands in the water and spears the fish with its beak. Can you tell who is it? It is crane. Means it is the characteristics of crane. The crane fly to warmer areas in winter. It stand in the water and spear fish with its beak. Means it is its characteristics. And it is also waits in water. Now, then its grasses are flowering plants that grow all over the groundnut wall, and they have a hollow stem. Hollow stem means how can I tell? How can I tell? Hollow means with empty space inside. For example, you know that a bird is suppose all birds have a hollow one. A hollow one. Hollow one means only a skeleton and inside there is no only a means with empty space inside or outside, but the Commonly meaning is inside, and if we tell outside, it is not right. Then, which of these not a type of grass? Can you tell? Examples are banyan. Then associated options are bamboo, wheat, sugarcane, and banyan. Which of these can you tell, friends? Don't tell now. The correct answer is banyan because sugarcane, bamboo, and wheat are a type of not a grass but a type of grass. But banyan is not a type of grass. Banyan is type of a tree, and it is actually a tree. Its stem are very big, and bamboo, wheat, and sugarcane have also hollow stems. Sorry, grasses have hollow stems, but bamboo, wheat, and sugarcane doesn't hollow stems. Some of them have hollow stems, but mostly bamboo, wheat, and sugarcane doesn't hollow stems. Some of them sugarcane plants, bamboo plants, and wheat plants can have hollow stems, but all of those not have hollow stems. But the correct answer, but the type of grass is banyan. Then I will give you four options. Just four options. You will choose which is the. I will give you the four options. Four type of leaves. Name of leaves. You will tell me that which of these leaves can be eaten. First option is basil, betel, mint, and all of this. Can you choose which is the correct answer? The correct answer is basil, betel, and mint. So wait, we cannot tell the basil, betel, and mint. So we tell all of this. Understand, friends? That means basil, betel, and mint leaves can be eaten, and also tulsi, aloe vera, this type of plants, medicinal plants, leaves can be eaten. For once, this is not for cooking, for eating. This is for some like medicines. But I tell the basil, betel, and mint leaves can be eaten. It cannot. It is not using for medicinal purpose. It can be used for cooking purpose and like eating purpose, but not like medicinal purpose. But tulsi and aloe vera and neem leaves can be used in some medicinal purpose. Then is there are climbing plants that have weak stems that need support to grow. Can you tell, friends? It is very easy, very easy. The four options are horse, straw, vines, and climbers. Can you tell? The correct answer is climbers. Then, which of the following gives green color to plants? The correct answer is chlorophyll. This substance made by bees is used in making soaps and candles. What is it called? It is called wax. Then it is a ancient flightless bird that lived on the island of Mauritius. Mauritius is a city. I cannot tell Mauritius city or guess what, but but a island of Mauritius there is more big ancient flightless bird lived. It is called dodo. Then it is a bird which removes ticks from skin of many mammals like zebra is called what? Called oxpecker. Then is what? If one animal say, I am an animal from Australia. I am a good swimmer but can live on land as well. My bill is like that of a duck. I have a thick tail. Although I am a mammal, I lay eggs. Who am I? Can you tell, friends? It is platypus. Platypus. That of spelling is Platypus. No. Platypus. Then our next is if I tell select the odd one out in this group, and the odd one out and the odd one out options are dog, pelican, penguin, and swan. Then which of these is a odd one out? Can you tell, friends? The odd one out is peacock. Can understand, friends? Why? It is peacock. You can understand. It is not very difficult. Then suppose an animal says, I am an animal, I am the fastest land animal on earth and belong to the family of cats. I can reach speeds of 100 kilometers per hour. Means think, friends, how speed it goes. That is as fast as a speeding car. Think. Can you tell which is that animal? The animal is cheetah. And I also run very fast. And my favorite animal is cheetah. Why I cannot tell, but my running is my hobby. I can tell. Then if I tell which I will give you four options, and I tell which of this not a future of plants. First is taking carbon dioxide during the daytime. Next is have a de- developed nervous system. And third is growing, and fourth is making their own. Then the correct answer is have a developed nervous system. Then it a animal can change its color to blend in with the environment. Can you tell the name of friend? It is called chameleon. Because chameleon can change its color to match the place it is in. Then what that? Yeah. Which of the following doesn't come from that doesn't bite or chew its food? The options are cow, horse, frog, and elephant. Can you tell? It is very easy. For I'm recalling this options. First is horse, cow, frog, and elephant. The correct answer is elephant because first is the horse. Horse have nails. Horse have teeth. So they bite and chew their food. But nail is not chewing. But teeth is chewing and biting its food, and the food is digesting inside its belly. And then come to cow. Cows have teeth. You can commonly see our Indiana. It is a cow, dog, goat. But you can also see cows have very big teeth. So they also bite or chew their food. Then come to frog. Frog are the most commonly. They can see in villages, towns, cities, countries, continents in the world. Where can I see? Where you can see frog? You cannot see, but the frogs have very small teeth, and they also bite their food and chew. But so they also bite or chew their food. Next, come to elephant. Elephant have a long trunk. They have not teeth. They have only a white. They come from what I tell. I'll forget that. But elephant have not teeth. In their trunk, they drink water and eat very big plants. Like, can I tell one amazing facts of elephants? That elephants eat 350 kg of plants every day and drink 160 liters of water per day. Means think how big is elephant. Then what The creature which lived millions of years ago looked like an elephant. It had great curved tusks. What was it called? It was called mammoth elephant. Then our which of these is an endangered animal? I'll give you four options: dodo, black buck, mammoth, and Bengal tiger. In endangered means very danger, danger than danger, danger than danger. Dodo is also danger. Black buck is very very danger. Mammoth is very danger. But in of this three, mm, Bengal tiger is very very dangerous. So it is called endangered animal, and the correct answer is Bengal tigers. Bye friends. I will meet you again in our next episode. I'll tell you about other general knowledge. Bye friends. Nice to meet you again.